Покажите хоть лица свои.
Русский? О.
Что вам надо, ребята?
Он едет, велосипедист ведет бэху, блядь.
Another unique case, a real breakthrough. Russian soldiers are watching as a Russian cyclist leads a Russian BMP into battle. Imagine what the Ukrainians are thinking now, says one of the observers.
Он едет, велосипедист ведет бэху, блядь. Чисто тип на велосипеде ведет бэху в атаку. Да ну нахуй, ебать. Блядь, дайте, вот это кто такой вот, его просто позывной, бля. Да ну нахуй.
Да ну нахуй.
Он на туре на велике катит. На педали крутит на туре.
Да ну
Ебать.
Давай, пошел, север, прием, как меня слышишь?
Я в ахуе.
Прием,
Штурмовой отряд.
велосипедисты, газу дай, это вас отъебут нахуй, бля, газу дай, бля, объезжай его.
Штурмовик, велосипедист.
Ты посмотри в натуре. А может вообще на самокате, блядь, на вот этом?
Кто это? Что это, блядь? Это
Давай,
робот?
газу, север, родной, давай, давай, едешь куда надо.
Это пизда.
Прикинь, как в ахуе сейчас, они даже не знают, что делать, блядь.
Kursk region, winter. Russian soldiers are sleeping on bare ground while digging trenches.
Покажите хоть лица свои.
Русский? О.
Что вам надо, ребята?
Хватит спать, утро наступило, бля. Пиздец, вы
Вот
еще
так
выжили,
мы
да?
живем, блядь. Вот ебать в рот, нахуй.
Так вот и живем, бля. В окопы себе копаем и живем на улице. В холоде, ни печки, ни хуя, ничего нету нахуй. Вон пацаны вылазят, блядь, все замерзшие нахуй, как суслики. Вот так.
Russian propagandists led by Solovyev proposed to hit the western part of Ukraine with Oreshnik missiles and wipe it out. Is that how they see the negotiation process?
This conflict has reached a stage where, in my opinion, the state of Ukraine should not exist. Since any capitulation, plant Ukraine with the hazel grove. No, I've always proposed Western Ukraine because there isn't just one Ukraine. Western Ukraine is Galicia and Volhynia, they're not Ukrainians. These are not Russian people, they are not even Orthodox, if you recall the Brest Union. So indeed, when they say we are liberating Ukraine, it is occupied. It is truly occupied by these Westerners, and we are liberating it. Therefore, a strike on Western Ukraine, it should not have been part, and never was part of the Russian Empire, and it should not be now. But if the state of Ukraine remains, it will essentially be a revanchist state.
In Yakutia, Russia, presumably, an asteroid has fallen. This was reported by eyewitnesses on social networks, and they also published footage of the falling object. I wonder what the people of Yakutia thought about it.
Видишь, Сережа, вон.
The parliament of Abkhazia voted against the ratification of the agreement on Russian investment projects in the republic, TASS reports. It's interesting how Abkhazia's local elites are trying to resist the takeover of their land and resources by Russian clans. They are not fighting against Russia, but it's a positive sign of weakening Russian influence in the unrecognized republic nonetheless. Abkhazia and South Ossetia were the reason for the Russian military intervention in Georgia back in 2008. Putin has not changed the goals. The goal is to destroy Ukraine. The goal is not to gain more territories. Till Putin has not changed the goals, the war will continue, said Estonian Minister of Foreign Affairs Margus Tsahkna.
Because Ukraine is fighting heavily. Bad thing is that Putin has not changed the goals. The goal is to destroy Ukraine. The goal is not to gain more territories. And we need to understand that till Putin has not changed the goals, the war will continue. So our duty is to support Ukraine militarily.
NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte has said that at ministerial meeting in Brussels, NATO foreign ministers will focus on how to get Ukraine to enter peace talks with Russia from a position of strength. Rutte added that the partners hear Ukraine's requests for membership, but the alliance will prioritize the provision of military assistance to Ukraine at this meeting.
Very much concentrate on how to make sure that Ukraine, whenever it decides to enter into peace talks, will do so from a position of strength. And to get there, it is crucial that more military aid will be pumped into Ukraine. And therefore, I'm so happy that all the countries I just listed have announced military aid going into Ukraine, including many European allies, and of course also the United States. And I commend them for that. So that is the most crucial thing we have to do now. And from there, whenever the Ukrainian government would decide to enter into talks, and it's up to them to decide that, we want for them to do that from a position of strength. From there, it will be a step-by-step approach.
Le Monde reports that the US, Germany, and Hungary still oppose inviting Ukraine to NATO. According to the publication, Slovakia, Belgium, Slovenia, and Spain are also against the idea for now. At the same time, France and the UK are reportedly pushing for Ukraine's invitation to the alliance. However, US President Joe Biden refuses to support this decision, and his potential successor, Donald Trump, has never supported the idea. Protests in Tbilisi continue. Police treats protesters harshly in many cases. They are shooting into the crowd from a special type of gun. Some 298 people have been detained and 143 police officers injured during days of demonstrations in the Georgian capital Tbilisi, according to Alexandre Darakvalidze, the country's deputy interior minister. Darakvalidze said some protesters who took part in demonstrations in front of the parliament have used violence against the police, adding that an investigation is ongoing. On the latest developments around contested elections and the country's path to EU membership, Prime Minister Irakli Kobakidze accused the opposition and their supporters of sowing instability. The demonstrations are against Kobakidze's decision to suspend the country's EU accession negotiations and have continued for a sixth day in various cities. Kobakidze has suspended EU accession talks for 4 years after the European Parliament rejected the country's election results. Georgia, formerly part of the Soviet Union, has enshrined the goal of joining the EU into its constitution. In Tbilisi, demonstrators gathered in front of the parliament building in the evening and blocked Shoda Rustaveli Street. Police took extensive security measures in the area.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.